New information tonight on a story we first told you about in December surrounding some issues with the family court system. In our original story, Robbie Robertson accused guardian ad litem Janet Weinberger of overbilling clients.
Well, now months later, some changes are being made. There's a new set of rules designed to help clear up problems in the guardian ad litem system.
Yep, our Katy Solt joins us now live. Katy, you've been looking over the new guidelines, so what can you tell us about them?
Mike and Wendy, one of the authors of the new rules and application process, told me that the changes started several months ago and took several redrafts. The new rules are designed to keep a closer eye on the guardian ad litem system, but one former guardian thinks more changes are needed to make the system truly effective.
It just got to be where it was too cumbersome.
Judges making their own rules, guardians charging clients what they felt was fair, and some guardians taking on way more cases than others. These were just some of the reasons for a 13-page comprehensive overhaul, changing the guidelines and application process to become a guardian ad litem for the Augusta Judicial Circuit.
All the judges had their own rules, and they had ways that or methods that I'm not totally familiar with them, but they each approved guardians for use or assignment in their cases individually.
We were the first to investigate allegations against Janet Weinberger and complaints about her billing practices. Now, nearly 6 months after our story aired, new rules and bylaws are being drafted.
Some guardians billed for making copies, some guardians billed for travel charges, mileage charges. Basically, we eliminated all that.
But Julia Bloodworth, a guardian for 12 years, says she doesn't know if these changes will actually help. She wants to know why there is a $200 non-refundable application fee when applicants are already paying for the background check, and why a background check fee isn't even included on the application. But her biggest concern is that once a guardian is approved,
there's no guarantee, even if the executive committee recommends they be put on the guardian list, there's no guarantee the judge is going to use that guardian.
Which could mean the same 3 or 4 guardians used in the past could be used more than any other guardian on the list. Allgood also says current guardians need to reapply in order to be rescreened and tested. But Bloodworth says there's one thing holding them back.
A lot of our guardians did not even get an application. I don't know what lists they were using, but I do know that there were a lot of guardians that did not receive an application.
When I asked Allgood about allegations that some guardians were intentionally not sent the new rules and applications,
there's no truth to the intentional. I mean, we didn't select anybody. I emailed the new rules to all the guardians that I could think of, and I don't know them all.
I also asked Allgood what would happen if a guardian had multiple complaints lodged against them, as was the case with Janet Weinberger.
If we get continued complaints or see a pattern developing, then it would be my intention, and I think the executive committee too, would be to report it to the assigned judge and consider removing that person as a guardian from the approved guardians list.
With this overhaul, Allgood feels the guardian system will not only be more effective for the judges, but also for the parents using the guardians.
They're being watched. They're being evaluated. They're being scrutinized. They are regarded as a professional within the system, and those of us who do it every day think the integrity of the system is paramount to everything.
Allgood did tell me there is a deadline set in place for the completed application fees to be sent in, and that date is May 31st. He also says he wants to have all the new guidelines and applications posted on the Augusta Bar Association website, but as of today, they have not yet been posted. This is a story we will continue to follow, so be sure to tune in here and on WFXG.com for any new developments. In the newsroom, Katy Solt, WFXG, Fox 54.